Hi dears, good morning. How are you all? Are you fine? Yes, I am also fine here. So, welcome back to another English class. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that is familiar to you. So, before that, you just look at the board. I have written some sentences. So, we can read that sentences. Lion caught the mouse. The mouse helped the lion escape in the end. These two sentences. So, what did you understand through these sentences? Yes, we can understand that it is the part of the story. So, are you getting the full story from these two lines? The lion caught the mouse helped the lion escape in the end? No, we are not getting. You know, this story is about the lion and the mouse, but it is difficult to understand about the story, what happened in the story. Is it? Some key details are missing here. So, we cannot understand why did the lion catch the mouse? We don't know. How did the mouse escape? That also we don't know. What trouble did the lion get into? That also we don't know. How did the mouse help the lion escape? That also we don't know. So, it is very difficult to understand the story. Only we know the name. It is about the lion and the mouse. So, why we cannot understand this? Yes, in this there is no key details, isn't it? Yes. So, in the second class we discussed about key details and summary. So, today again we are going to discuss about key details and also main idea. So, what is it? Key details and main idea of the story. So, how to find out the key details and how to find out the main idea of the story. So, I told about the key detail in the second class. So, what is by key detail? Key detail means the important detail of the story. Means important detail. Okay. Yes, so what is my main idea? So, that is new to you, isn't it? Yes. So, main idea means it also contains the key details. So, main idea. So, it contains key details itself. So, it will contain key detail. So, one more thing we discussed. What is that? Summary. So, what is by summary? Summary is the short form of the story. So, it contains the key details and the main idea. Summary. So, summary contains main idea plus key details. Did you understand? Yes, summary means main idea plus key details. So that is about key detail, main idea and summary. So why we are writing this summary? I told you already, for writing the short form, the form of the story. So if anybody is asking about a book or a movie or a story, instead of telling all these incidents in the story, we can say the summary of the story or the book or the movie. So summary is very important. So main idea, it will contains the key details of the story. Okay, did you understand? So that is about key detail, main idea and summary. Key detail is the important detail, main idea contains key details and also summary means main idea plus key detail. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the key details of the story, The Torch. So last class we read one story. What is the name of the story? The Torch. Who written that? Yes, Radha Pyari Sadr. So we are going to identify the key details of the story, The Torch. So can you say something? Okay. So in the beginning what happened in the story? In the middle what happened? And in the end what happened? So let us discuss. In the beginning of the story what happened? Yes, there lived a scientist named Dr. Ganesha who invented one thing. What is that thing? Torch. By accidentally. Isn't it? Yes. So that thing, that torch, turned everything into gold. If he shone the light for at least half a day. And he decided to help the poor people. So that is the beginning of the story and the key details in the story in the beginning. And what is the key detail in the middle part? Yes, he saw a woman named Maya and he decided to give the gold objects to Maya. She was very poor and every day he gave the golden things to Maya. So that time what happened to Maya? Her character changed, isn't it? Yes, she became very greedy and she want more gold from Dr. Ganesha, isn't it? Yes, that is the middle part of the story. That are the key details of the story. And what happened in the end? Yes, Maya became very greedy and she decided to steal the torch from the house of Dr. Ganesha. Then she stole the torch from his house and by overheating, the torch broke into pieces. And at last she understood about her folly and she escaped from the place. And Dr. Ganesha became very sad, isn't it? Yes. So did you understand the key details of the story, The Torch, in the beginning, middle, end? Yes. Now, in your workbook, you have to do S3 and S4. So don't worry, I will help you. Now I am going to discuss S3 and S4. Along with me, you write the answers in your workbook now itself. Now take page number 18 and 19. So you have to do this S3 first. Now take your workbook. Let me read the first question. Before that, you have to write today's date, key details and main idea. Read the paragraph, list the key details and write the main idea. There once was an old scientist named Dr. Ganesha who loved to help people. One late summer evening, he made a discovery that happened by accident. He had found a way to turn anything into gold. The electricity had gone out and his torch was not working. Using a few materials lying here and there, he made a new type of battery. By mistake, he left the torch on when he went to bed. It lay on his desk, shining on a pen stand. The next day, he found that the pen stand had turned into pure gold. Over the next few days, he tried the torch on other objects. He found that objects turned into gold if the light from the torch shone on them for at least half a day. Dr. Ganesha was thrilled. He thought about all the good such an invention could do for humanity. He decided to help people as much as he could. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the key details and we have to write the main idea from this paragraph. Okay, so here you can see the first question. Read the paragraph, list the key details and write the main idea. So list of key details you have to write. Main idea also you have to write. So what are the key details we can see from this paragraph? Yes, one we can see Dr. Ganesha invented a thing that turns everything into gold. So first we can write that. That turned everything into gold. So this is the first point you have to write in your workbook. Dr. Ganesha invented a thing that turned everything into gold. Everything means that things. Pen stand, doll, ball, like that things. Okay. Second, what is the key detail? Yes. We know if it is shown for a half day only, it will turn into gold. So that is a key detail. The torch turned the things into gold if it shone for half a day. Shone for half a day. So that is the second key detail. So what is the third key detail? He decided to help the poor people as much as he can. So that we can write. He decided to help the poor people as much as he can. So these are the three key details in that paragraph. So you have to write this in your workbook. You can search this paragraph. If you are not getting, you can copy from this. Okay, so what is the main idea here given in this paragraph? Main idea, he decided to help the people, is that you have to write. And one more main idea, it is given in the first. Dr. Ganesha invented a thing that turned everything into gold. So two main idea from this paragraph. that you have to write here, main idea. Did you understand? Is there any doubt? No. Okay. So next question. Imagine that the torch turned everything to dust. So what is by dust? Small fine particles in the air. So we can see the dust from this chalk. Okay, so that is dust. Read the first paragraph above with this thought and write the new main idea with the new key details to support your main idea. So what is here given? So imagine that a torch that turned everything into dust, not gold, dust. Is it dust is a good thing? No. So it will cause harm to people. So how can we change it? Imagine that everything is turning into dust. So what will happen? It will make us very harm. So how can we change this? That you have to write here. List of key details, main idea. So what we can write? Dr. Ganesha invented a thing that turned everything into dust. So this you have to write in your workbook in the second question. So what will happen if things are changing into dust? Means what will happen? The torch turned the things into gold if it shone for half a day. No change for that. He decided to help people. Is it helping? No, harm. Harm the people as much as he can. Okay, so that is only difference here. So main idea, what we can write? So we can write he decided to harm the people as much as he can. And one more main idea. Dr. Ganesha discovered a torch that turned everything into dust. So instead of gold you have to write dust. So that is this question S3. So you have to write it today itself. So what about S4? Writing a summary. So we have discussed the key details of the torch. So we can write the summary of this paragraph. Isn't it? Yes. So S4 you have to write the date first. Writing a summary. Write the key details of the story The Torch. Use these to write the main idea and summary of the story. So let us discuss the first questions, key details. So first point in key detail, what is that? Yes, Dr. Ganesha invented a thing means the torch that turned everything means things, into gold. Okay. Second one, what we can write? He decided to help the poor people. He decided to help the people, those who are poor. He decided to help the people. Then what happened? Yes, he helped a woman named, what is the name of that woman? Maya. And gave golden things every day. Isn't it? Every day he gave the golden things to Maya. So what is the next key detail? Maya became very greedy. Isn't it? Yes. Maya became greedy. And what she decided? She decided to steal the torch. Then what happened? Yes, Maya stole the torch and it broke into pieces. How? By, I am writing here, by overheating. Isn't it? Yes. Then what happened? Maya understood her foolishness. Isn't it? So I am rubbing this. Maya understood her foolishness, her folly, and left the place. Isn't it? Yes. And what happened to Dr. Ganesha? Dr. Ganesha became very sad. So he said to himself that he will not discover a thing like this in his life. Okay, so these are the key details you have to write here in your workbook. A, B, C, D, E, F. So you can look this board and you can write now itself. So main idea. So we got the key details here. So what is the main idea? What is the moral of the story? Yes, it is foolish to be greedy. It is foolish to be greedy. It is foolish to be greedy. So that day I told one more moral. What was that? Greed makes a man foolish and blind. That also you can write. So next question is, next it is given here summary. So how we will write the summary of this story? By connecting these key details. So how will you connect this? Just I will say how to connect. You have to write as like a story, but in a short form. So you can write like this. One day there lived a scientist named Dr. Ganesha. He invents a thing, a torch that turned everything into gold. And he decided to help the poor people. One day he saw a woman who is very poor and he decided to help the poor family. And he gave the golden things each day to that family. The family consists of one woman named Maya and a daughter. So he gave everyday golden things to Maya and her daughter. At that time, Maya became very greedy. She decided to steal the torch from Dr. Ganesha's house. And one day, while he was sleeping, Maya stole the torch from the house of Dr. Ganesha and she used it. By overheating, the torch broke into pieces. At last, Maya understood her folly and she decided to leave the place. At last, Dr. Ganesha became very sad and he decided and said to himself that he will not invent such a thing in his life. So, that summary you have to write here. So, if it is no space means you can write in your notebook, no problem. Second question, check your writing using the checklist below. So, that day also we did like this question. So, this summary checklist summary you have to check. My paragraph introduces the characters and setting. So, if it is the tick yes, otherwise no. My paragraph includes key details from the beginning, middle, end of the story. If it is yes, tick yes, otherwise no. All my sentences in the paragraph are connected to the main idea. If it is yes, tick yes, otherwise no. So, that is the question S4. Is it clear to you? I hope you understand these questions S3 and S4. And one more homework for you. You have to do the practice questions from the block 2. 5, 6, 7. Here it is. 5, 6, 7. Fifth question, predict a possible outcome for the story. Give reasons for your choice. You have to select a possible outcome for the story. Write the main idea for the story in Q5. Then 7th question, read the paragraph and check if all the key details have been underlined correctly. If not, write the sentences that are wrongly underlined and correct the sentence that must be underlined. So, this you have to do. And also 8th. Okay. So, if you are not getting means I will help you. So, what we discussed one time we can recall it: key detail, main idea and summary. Key detail means important detail, main idea means it contains the key details, summary means main idea plus key details. So, did you understand today's class? So, let us wind up our class for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye.